We got the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. We got the Peerless Assassin 120 in black for the CPU cooler. We got the T-Force Delta GDR5, 32 gigabytes, 6000 megahertz. The RGB RAM. We got Team Group 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte SSDs. We got Johnsbow RGB fans to keep it cool. We got the Auros Elite X870E Wi-Fi 7 motherboard. We got the Flower Leadex VII Pro XP, the Platinum Cybernetics, and the 80 Plus Platinum 1200 watt power supply. We got the lancool 207 case. And the grand finale, we got the RTX 4070 Super. Time to build a PC. Like and follow so you don't miss it.